Hi guys, Robin here with WTI.
If you're like me and like shoes with a pop of surprise, check out these Ted Baker tennis shoes.
I am a huge fan of Ted Baker shoes, and these ones that I've added to my collection I absolutely adore. They are super simple design, but the key features that pop make them just adorable. Whether you are just out for a casual stroll, doing some shopping on the street, these little smiley faces on the back get attention wherever you go. They are fantastic. Literally, people see me coming and they think I have just regular old white tennis shoes, and as soon as I turn around to walk off, they're like, "Oh my goodness, I love your shoes." So they go with a multitude of things, whether it be denim, linen pants. I was wearing these to the office the other day and they are super comfortable. I cannot get over them. And like I said, that smiley face on the back just puts everyone in a good mood. If you're a Ted Baker fan or a shoe fan, you're going to love them.
As you can see, I love them, but that's just my point of view.